Hi kids, today we're drawing a beautiful mermaid. So grab your pencil paper and let's get started.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Wow, so cute.
And if that diamond
Wow,
ring turns
excellent.
Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a car and
Wow, it's so beautiful.
that car and
Red color.
turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover.
Yellow color.
And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.
Pink color. Red color. Blue color.
And if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass is
Green
broke,
color.
Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat.
Yellow color.
Billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a car and bull.
Pink color.
And if that car and bull turns over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover.
Red color.